Hello from Fuerteventura, Finland. Or just Finland.
Or just Finland. We're already back home, but we still have a lots of video to share with you from our adventures there. So stay tuned. So today we want to tell you about El Cotillo. El Cotillo is a very nice small town on the north west side of the island, and it's really cute. And before we go into details about the best things to see there, you have to know, if you're traveling with a child, the most important thing is to find the best playground. I know there are lots of sightseeing places which we always want to see, but the most interesting sightseeing place for them is a good playground. So we found one, and there is a good parking right next to it. Off season the parking is almost empty. Might be a bit more challenging to find the parking around it during the season. Anyway, we will leave the link down below to the location of the best playground in El Cotillo. So after playground, when you're looking for a lunch place, we have recommendations for you too. We found one very cool restaurant with the best view in town. It's right to the sea, and it's really nice. There is a Mediterranean kitchen, and they have a couple of vegan options there available as well, and they're very friendly.
The other place to go, if you're looking for something vegan, is to go to the most amazing vegan cafe / restaurant in El Cotillo,
Called Happy Cactus.
They're very friendly staff, and they have really amazing food.
My favorite was brownie with the blueberry ice cream. That was just to die for. That was amazing.
And my favorite was the best burger I've ever eaten. Not just a vegan burger, but
In general,
the best.
I tasted it. It was so delicious.
It's so full of flavor, like it's unbelievable. It was really tasty.
And the staff there is super friendly. So if you're not gonna eat there, just pass by and say hi. They're super nice. So highly recommend these two places to go and check them out. So now we're coming to the coolest beach we have ever seen in our life, called El Cotillo Beach. It's just on the other side of the town, and it's absolutely epic. It's a sand beach with the huge rocks. This beach is really famous for surfers and kite surfers, I think, as well.
For me, it was the first time I've seen like 3-meter high waves. Like, that's just amazing. Like when you actually see it for the first time, you like realize the power of the sea. Like
it's incredible.
It's mind-blowing.
There we tried out Petri's new hobby.
I've been looking for something that I could challenge myself again, like something new to learn, and something to add for our videos, and really like add a perspective, like how we can film differently, and also getting back to photography. Time to get a new toy to learn to do it again from a new perspective. So,
and the new toy is
we bought a drone. And the model we bought is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and it's really impressive. Like,
it looks like a toy, really.
Yeah, it looks like a toy, but it's
but like, it does incredible things.
Yeah, it's very solid, and it flies even in the strong wind, which is usually strong in Fuerteventura. Like, it handles it really well, even though it's very light. It weighs less than a kilo, but it can handle it really well. And
I was really impressed with Petri because that was basically his first try ever to fly a drone, and it's actually much harder than it looks like. I always thought it's just like a toy, you just play there, but it's actually a bit harder than that.
And also because it is an unmanned aircraft, so you have to follow the aviation rules when it comes to flying a drone. And
Exactly. New information for us completely, so you always have to check the regulation of the area we're traveling to, because they can like vary a bit, and also the fine is very different in every country, which you can get for flying your drone incorrectly. So this is the first drone video we have ever made, so don't judge us harshly. We're gonna improve our skills while we are doing that, but here we are, here we're flying. So El Cotillo is also special because on the north side of the town there is a really beautiful lighthouse.
So on the way back from the lighthouse to El Cotillo, on the north side, just outside the town, there is a beach called
La Concha,
which is an absolutely beautiful place. There is a kind of separate lagoon, which is surrounded by wave breakers. So even that day when it was really strong wind and really high waves, like, it's just still water inside the lagoon, and it's so beautiful, and it would have been a great place to go swimming, but
during
we didn't this time. Yeah. So we stopped there to play, so Jebi can have a blast at the beach.
So there is one more part, video comes from Fuerteventura, the third one and the last one, so stay tuned for that. It comes next week, Sunday 8 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.